Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries, this is June weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to feed in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aries, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Aries, I think Five of Swords with King of Pentacles under the deck. There are some disturbances between you and your person, some type of argument, some type of fightings. Maybe they backstabbed on you, cheated on you, lied to you. Yes. And King of Pentacles is here. I think you are more focused on your career. You want you want stability in your finances. You want financial stability, and at the same time you are very focused on this connection, you are very honest on this connection, you are always there for your person. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Tower, the Fool, and the Cancer. Chariot means. So recent past, maybe there are some issues between you and your person. For some, no contact. For some, separation. Even though you are in relationship, it's on and off because the Tower moment. So you are going through some Tower moment in recent past. Then you are out of that moment, then you started living in the present moment, going with the flow. Yes, you want to overcome that pain and you want to forget that pain, and you started moving on in different direction, like you started focusing on your career, creating more money. That was past. Then present, High Priestess, Magician, and Six of Cups. You are manifesting something big into your life, and you are trusting your intuition, listening to your intuition. Definitely you are manifesting right now. Maybe your person, maybe career. And Six of Cups is here. Maybe you are manifesting your soulmate. But you are thinking about someone or something a lot, especially love. Because Six of Cups, strong soulmate and past life connection. For some, maybe you are manifesting new love into your life. For some, maybe a past person returning into your life. And future, Knight of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, and Three of Pentacles. Definitely someone is returning to work on this relationship, to collaborate with you. They want partnership with you because Knight of Pentacles with Three of Pentacles. I think in past there is no equal give and take. There is no partnership between both of you. But now this person want partnership with you, but you are very focused on your career. You are working hard towards your goals, Aries. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer or Pisces. Guys, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. See, under the deck, Eight of Pentacles. This person want to work on this relationship. Yes, this person really want to work on this relationship. Eight of Pentacles. Slow but stable. And the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius. So let's see their current feelings. Magician. I think they are feeling missed opportunity with you. They are feeling sad without you. Their emotions are running high. They're feeling overburdened. They want to fix the things between both of you. Some sort of communication is coming. And Queen of Cups, they have strong emotions towards you, Aries, and they are manifesting you. Something manifestation. Maybe you both are manifesting one another, but they, for some, definitely they are also doing manifestation, or for some maybe they player in and out of your life. So let's see their intentions. But they do love you. Now they are missing you. Let's see their intentions. Wow. So they want to offer commitment. They want reunion with you if you are in separation, because Four of Wands, they want celebration with you. And King of Wands, maybe this person is very dominative, very aggressive in nature, but they're gonna make action very soon. They will take action. Right now your person may be taking time. Right now they are not talking to you because they're undergoing some transformation. The Virgo, the Hermit mode, and the person involved in this connection could be Virgo. Right now they isolated themselves from all and thinking everything in detail. So they want reconciliation. Now they're missing you. So they're coming back with solid offer, Aries. They're gonna make action very soon. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, they're rushing to communicate with you. And Two of Swords. And Four of Swords, Eight of Cups. Maybe in past they walked away, now they have regrets for you and they are stuck on you. They're feeling stuck. They're thinking about you a lot. At the same time, maybe they're at some crossroads. They have to make some decision before coming towards you. Maybe they are juggling between you and their career, you and their family, but they're rushing to communicate with you. They want to give clarity. Yeah, communication is coming. And for some, you both have age differences. And the Devil, you are also obsessed with them. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn. And Ace of Swords, communication with clarity is coming. And you are taking your control back. But you are obsessed with them. So let's see mutual. One person is very good looking in this connection. Yeah, right now no contact or separation. Right now you both are working on yourself, working on your inner growth. Justice and Hermit, definitely in near future you both realized, maybe you both will contact and talking about marriage. Yes, in near future there will be talks about marriage, because Justice is a marriage card. After transformation, everything is after transformation, the strength. Right now you both are missing each other a lot, but they will communicate with you. Very soon you will receive communication. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Aries. Mask, I still love you. I'm not feel good enough for you. Communication is coming. Reunion is coming. And lot of abundance is coming. So the messages are: Mask, I still love you. I am not feel good enough for you. Communication is coming. Reunion is coming. And lot of abundance is coming. So these are the messages for you. So take what resonates. So let's see some more messages from Moon Oracle deck. Okay, two cards. You and your loved ones are safe. Your dreams need a practical plan. So you and your loved ones are safe. New moon in Cancer. So if you are worrying about your person, maybe your family, this is the message for you. You and your loved ones are safe. And your dreams need a practical plan. Full moon in Taurus. So if you are dreaming about something, you want to achieve something, first you need a practical plan. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please do share, like and subscribe. Thank you.